Why is the database slow right now? You're running SQL Server, Azure SQL DB, or Amazon RDS. Maybe you played around with Activity Monitor trying to figure out what's going on. It's not giving you the answers that you need. That's part of why I wrote SP Blitz first. I was tired of my clients freaking out saying, Brent, I need you to drop everything and get on the phone with me right now, because often I'm booked with other clients and I can't jump in and do that. I wrote SP Blitz first to look at exactly the same kinds of things that I would look at if I wanted to make a lot of automated checks within 5 seconds about why the SQL Server's slow right now. And it gives you a prioritized list with the most urgent things going on at the top. What do you know? Priority one, some bozo's running a database backup right now in the middle of the day. SP Blitz first checks for all kinds of things, a long-running query blocking others, an out-of-control index rebuild, huge list of things that you wish you could have the time to check individually. And then we also give you URLs explaining the details if you want to learn more about any of the particular warnings. There's also a column about details here. If I take that one about a backup running right now, I can go click on that column and it says, hey, the backup of Stack Overflow database, 175 gigs, has been running since 5:31 a.m. It's only about 20% complete. This gives me the information that I need in order to start making decisions on how I want to take action. And for some of them, we even give you a how to stop it command. For example, if I click on how to stop it there, I say, warning, running this may result in problems, but if you want to, you can kill that backup here with that kill command. SP Blitz first has all kinds of parameters, but most of the time, that just by itself is all you need to get a quick idea of why your SQL Server Azure SQL DB is slow. If you want to learn more about how I use it, go to brentozar.com and go click on training up at the top. I've got a whole class on how I use the first responder kit, plus I leverage this script heavily inside my mastering classes. And if you don't have time for the pain, you can also click consulting up at the top of the screen where I can walk you through exactly what's causing the problems on your SQL Server, Azure SQL DB, or Amazon RDS instance and help you get permanent pain relief. Let's do this.